Hey, today we are format HP Omni 10 tablet, format and upgrade Windows 8.1 to Windows 10 and downgrade Windows 10 to Windows 8.1. First off, we need one pen drive, mouse, USB hub, another PC and main USB OTG cable. Put your pen drive and USB hub, USB port in any PC and open internet browser, and here you can search which Windows you want, like as Windows 8.1 single language. You can also type Windows 10 single language. Now we are going with Windows 8.1. This is Microsoft's official website. Here you can download. Click on this link. Here select an edition, single language, confirm, and now select language, English, confirm, and select your architecture, 32-bit or 64-bit. This tablet supports 32-bit version only. And downloading, start this ISO file here. When downloading is completed, then open the Power ISO software and run as administrator. This dialog box after 5 seconds. When trial mode, and go to tools, bootable media. Here you can select your downloaded file, ISO format, this is 8.1, and select pen drive and start here. It may take sometimes 50 to 10 minutes and finish. Eject your pen drive. Put in USB hub, and also mouse put in USB hub, and USB hub connect to micro OTG cable, and OTG cable connect to your tablet PC. Now power on button, press and several times power minus, volume minus key. You go in boot menu. Now boot menu appear. Select boot option. This is tablet's information. SP Pro tablet 610 G1. Go back. Here select boot option. You can see your pen drive's name here, USB hard drive UEFI. Select USB pen drive. Now installation process is start.
I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever.
Touch on next button.
No, I don't wanna waste what's left.
Now touch screen not working, then use mouse for clicking here. Install and saying to touch screen not working. Next button. Wait. Product key. You can download any product key and search on internet. Any password key, product key work here. Open virtual keyboard if you do not have keyboard attached to this hub. Then you can use any keyboard and accept the
Create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways.
Hit the next button.
Fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number. Fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. On we'll go, finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest, echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Desktop is ready. Connect to internet,
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
open internet browser, and here search, enter Z series and try the download.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow
Web page and download various software
them to see
and
the
private
horizon, turn us to thousands.
install and
We'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
install all driver and enjoy this tablet. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment and subscribe my channel.